Struggling to get the perfect sequence of service for your hotel restaurant's a la carte breakfast? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step SOP in the official format, reference of 5-star hotel standard. All F&B staff must follow this standard in order to deliver perfect service as in very important value to the guests. Let's check it out. Division: Food and Beverage. Department: F&B Hotel. Category: Sequence of Service. Positions: Manager, Assistant Manager, Training Manager, Bar Manager, Barman, Waiter, Junior Waiter, Hostess, Greeter. Task: Sequence of Service Breakfast. Approved by the name of the recent food and beverage manager. Objectives: A123 is the documentation numbering. Sequence of Service Breakfast, your hotel brand standard. Importance or interest: a perfect day starts with a great breakfast. To ensure great your hotel brand standards. Need: having command of the sequence of service will free your mind to pleasantly interact with your guests and save your time. Now let's get into the step-by-step standard and breakdown. Hostess is greeting the guest with the guest name if available. Guest greeted within 30 seconds with a smile, eye contact and a clear voice. Newspaper and smoking preference are offered. Seat the table according to preference and only on a setup table. Server will friendly approach the guest, welcome him and offer coffee or tea. Juice and coffee or tea will be offered and served within 2 minutes of guest seating. Give assistance in the beverage selection. Assist and direct the guest. Staff will explain the menu in the buffet. Assist in the selection of additional items. Additional items such as Egg Benedict was suggested. Product knowledge is very important in this stage. Proceed the order fast and immediate. After ordering breakfast, hot food served in 10 minutes, cold food served in 8 minutes. Be fast and on top. If a dish is not coming out, go and follow up. Ensure only serve what was ordered. Guests' orders will be served exactly as requested, and with no confusion about which items ordered. Always repeat the order from your guest. If you see an empty cup, ask your guest for more coffee or tea. Additional coffee, tea or other beverage offered within 1 minute of empty cup or glass. Staff inquires about guest satisfaction discreetly, not more than twice. Always keep a table tidy. Soiled plates are cleared within 2 minutes of guests finishing. Don't let it happen that plates are piling up. Proper bill presentation according to your hotel brand standard. Bill is presented within 1 minute of request. Staff maintains attentive position in dining room until the guest leaves. Thank the guest and give a warm farewell. Staff uses guest name, when available, when wishing him a very nice day. For example, goodbye Mr. Smith, have a wonderful day. Resetting the table quickly for the next customer. After the guest leaves, the table has to be reset immediately in 3 minutes for the next guest to follow. Check the mise en place. Always check. To be attentive and always create an experience for your guests. Never feel tired to make another step. You can get the link to download the sequence of service file in Microsoft Word format in the description below. You can edit to adjust the detail if necessary. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to appreciate. Thank you for watching this video. Greetings from the hospitality world.